Hi guys, welcome back to my another channel today of my English channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys about punctuations. I know most of you guys can learn about punctuation when you guys used to make a sentences that we use a punctuation. Okay, these are the three examples that I'll put today. Not only just three, I'll update more because I can't even type right now because I'm just going to make this type, okay? Okay, anyways, so Collins, what can you say about Collins? Collins, that means you guys can say like, it used to for colons. Okay, for example, for a colons, you guys can use to make this. Come, I'll show you guys an example. So colons, the meaning of colons, that means like is to introduce a list or a list. You can also say to list an example. Okay, now I'm gonna get you guys here. Okay, here are the example. So basically today I'm going to the supermarket to buy ingredients. That you have to say like ingredients like apple, cooking oil, eggs, chicken, like that. Okay, these are the columns that you guys use this for this. These are the examples I'll give you guys here. Okay, now let's get to another one. A semicolon. Wait, semicolon is to links to closely related sentences. Okay, but unfortunately I don't know how to make a sentence, but I know the meaning of that, but I don't know how to make sentences out of semicolon. Okay, I'm just giving you guys the tips of this one. Now the ellipsis. Ellipsis, that means like to pause a sentence, or you can say is to, it also create a sense of mystery. Okay, like for example, like we guys complete a sentence, but there's a gap, there's an ellipsis here between. That means they are pausing each other or create a sense of mystery. Okay, these are the sentences that you guys have to make it like this lah. So I give you answer. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna skip this one lah. Okay, now next one, dash. For the dash one, these are the dash. So dash is used to set apart an idea. Okay, this is just set and apart an idea. Okay, for now I'm not gonna put this one first. You guys have to know about this one. So for this one, I'm not gonna write this one yet. So let me copy this one first because I need to put this into one text only. It will be more better. Wait let me do one by one first. No. Never mind lah. Just never mind lah. Okay, so never mind lah. Never mind. Okay, hyphen. This is the good one. That's one of my favorite. Hyphen. Sorry. Never mind lah. This is hyphen. Hyphen and dash is different. Okay, like for example, hyphen is to connect or join the word together to make one word. Like for example, okay, this one you guys have to know about this one. Okay, just give you guys the tips only and the clue. Okay, for comma, sorry, comma to create a separation. Like for example, that in the columns now, in the columns here, that I list the apples, comma, this one, that means you're listing down. They're listing down the ideas of the separation. That means you're listing down, okay? Okay, next one. Question mark. Or rhetorical question. Or you can even say rhetorical question. This one, to show an inquiry. Show an inquiry or to ask a question that is being asked. By someone. Let's give an example, okay? Yeah. Exclamation. Exclamation means that to take an action or to create suspense, if I'm not mistaken. Create suspense. That exclamation mark, that means you're like scolding people. Like when you guys use exclamation mark, that means you're scolding people or take an seriously action that you want to take an opportunity to scold people. These are the person lah. Yeah. Okay, so now slash is to separate ideas. Separate letters, numbers, or words. That means like you put like a date lah. For example, 27 slash January slash 1 slash 2006 lah. These are the slash that you use lah for words lah. Okay. Now for this one, quotation mark. Quotation mark. Quotation mark. These are the quotation mark. That means to indicate a speech. Okay, can you guys see? If you can't see, I just put bold lah. More easier that you can see, can be more clear a bit. Yeah, what's the thing? Yeah. Okay. Oh, sorry. Apostrophe. Apostrophe. Ayah. Apostrophe. Apostrophe. To indicate. That means is to indicate a missing letters. Okay? full stop, or you can say a period. That means to conclude or end a sentence. Okay, I still have two more to go. Brackets. Yeah. Brackets. Okay, these are the brackets. That means to demonstrate that words are added or to highlight the key points. Lastly, parentheses. Parentheses, that means to set apart of clarifying elements. Okay, this other one. Okay, here. Okay, now these are the punctuation that I used to make the sentence here. Okay, so these are the meaning of here. So today on my channel that I'm just talking about punctuation, because punctuation is quite interesting to understand and it's quite straightforward to understand about punctuation. So before I end on this channel of punctuation today, I want to say that try to learn this how to use a proper punctuation in your writing part, especially in your writing part when you guys use your punctuation. Okay, especially in your writing part when you're writing an essay. Okay, thanks you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next channel of my English class. Today this is about punctuation. Next class we'll be doing a previous English. Okay, thank you and bye. See ya.